Welcome all my students to Trips art class. Now today we're going to draw Dogman in this draw along tutorial. Now as you can see here, I am drawing with a blue leaded pencil. You can use whatever lead you want to. I just like it because it stands out from the black ink. So with Dogman, some heads up here as we quickly draw through this. If you want to stop the video, and I encourage you to do that, pause it to use it as references throughout this video, because this one is going to go pretty quickly. So as you draw Dogman, it's a very simple drawing, but it is necessary to still pay close attention to the proportions, because if the proportions, yes, or even though they are simple, if the proportions are off, your Dogman is not going to look right. So go ahead and be checking your proportions. As I'm sketching this out with my blue pencil, I am going back and changing a lot of things to make sure the proportions are accurate, because this is not a realistic drawing, so you really have to go back to your reference to check those proportions. Another thing as you draw Dogman is to look at the line work. When you do start to work on the line work, and you go back over these lines, you can erase them briefly so you can see the black if you're using regular pencil, or if you're just using blue, you can go straight to your black ink pen. When you do go and ink over these lines, I would encourage you to do one layer just to get your lines there, erase your pencil, and then go back over and really put a thick line throughout this drawing. Now, this style of Dogman does include very thick line work. So as you can see, what I'm doing here is going back and putting in my initial lines, and then I'm going to add color, and after I add color, I'm going to go back and thicken up those lines a whole lot. Right now it still doesn't look like Dogman, but when I go back and thicken up those lines, it really starts to stand out. So that's Dogman here on Trips art class. Thanks for joining in.